Alright, we're going walking. We're on a trail. Hey, this will make you all happy. Snuggles has been found. So this is a rail trail. It used to be a railroad, and they tore up the tracks and turned it into a walking path. We're here with friend of the show, Hood. Say hello, Hood. Hello, Hood. Not quite perfectly autumny fall goodness yet, but it's close. Ah, look at the beautiful leaves. That's where we came from. This is where we're going to. Hey, coffee berries. Not really. Almost good enough to... No, I won't do it. Everybody walk with me now. This is what it looks like to be me. Did you ever want to pretend you're me? This is your opportunity. Oh, the sun came out. Sunny day, keeping the crowds away. I'll turn it on again in a few minutes, when I got something else of interest to talk about. Yeah, exactly. Biker. I sure am.